Hello everybody, I'm Mustafa Haider from the DIY Baba channel. If you look up on the channel, considering about the views you'll get, it's very low, so you might feel like you don't want to watch this. So anyways, today we'll be comparing with the Scratch 3 online versus the Scratch app 3. They're both Scratch 3, but we are doing the difference: Scratch 3 online and Scratch 3. We'll start off with online and see. So how is it? What's the bad part? What's the good part? Start creating. So considering everything, it looks similar to the Scratch app. You just pull everything and then you put them along with together. So then, I haven't done the code properly, so who cares? Anyways, so we're gonna start off with Scratch Online. It's pretty good. Everything works really fine over here. It's very similar. Like, there are a few differences: installing and not installing. I didn't have to install this. This was not necessary. Installing the Scratch Online was absolutely not necessary when you're already installing it. Are you sure you want to delete this, right? So, you could just, if you want to make a code, you could just start off right over here without having to install it. They both are pretty much the same thing if you think about it. So this is a tennis ball right over here. Scratch has apparently made coding a lot easier for kids these days, and it has, it's done a lot of impact. Like, it's helped many kids in doing stuff. So I'm just putting it here because I'm just trying to make a code, Wait, different views? So I'm making a code for an example. It's really simple, and you can do something really cool out of that just without putting no effort. So considering it's like very easy from what we are doing, it's helped a lot of people in coding for simple. So not we have to look on the Python and then do Control V, Control C, and then we have to write 850 whatever lines. It's just simple. We just got the blocks we need to form one code. It's really easy. And that's all I could tell you about it. Wait. I'm just doing random, in fact. So let's just start making the code. Now let's run it. So, and here's the good thing. It's okay, maybe I just thought it was. Sorry, mistake. Look, now you do a right click over here. It says duplicate. I press duplicate. Now, when I press the second tennis ball, they both have the same code copied. So you don't even have to duplicate the sprite. You also duplicated the code. And let's start it. So see, it's something really cool, and then it just works very well. It's very easy. You did something so cool, and then you didn't even have to write 850 lines for it, literally. It makes coding a lot more easier for kids if you think about it. Duplicate again. So pretty much, just look, balls bouncing around everywhere. It made everything easy, it was much easier. So there's pretty much no difference between both of them. And to be honest, if you look, there's not really anything bad at it. Now look, you can do point towards mouse pointer. You can do as it says. Look, you can just guide it. It's cool, isn't it, right? So pretty much now look, you can collide them, all of them together. You just merge them. Look, you can do really cool stuff. And now it's just merge to mouse pointer. So now let's stop the code. And helped a lot of people, like I said before. So pretty much I'll say honest about the Scratch app and the Scratch Online. There's really no difference if you think about it. There's one over here, it's the Scratch app I just installed, and this one, the online Scratch, it's the same thing. Look, I'll send you on the online Scratch right now. Putting on the app. Here's the full scheme of the other different type of Scratch. Now over here it's the same thing. Look, you can do everything as the same code. There's nothing you need to do. I'll just put random blocks together. Look, they connect. It just makes a code. There's no difference. There's no point of installing. So it's pretty much optional. If you want to open, and yeah, there's no difference. So it's optional. If you want to look on Scratch Online or the Scratch app, they're the same thing. There's no difference. If you think about it, there's no difference. Look, same thing. I made the same thing. And there's this. I'm just doing this for fun sometimes. But yeah, there's pretty much no difference. It's optional. You can go and you can download the Scratch. You can do the same thing. So yeah, that's it for today. There's nothing bad I have to say about it. There are mostly good benefits. So yeah, it's both the same thing. This same. I'm going on the other one. So yeah, this the same thing, and the other one the same thing. There's no difference. Scratch, so it's both. There's no difference. You can just, it's optional. You want to code here? To be honest, I'm sorry. So you can just code here, code here. You can code there. No difference. So that's it today, everybody. Please subscribe. And yeah, if you want to look on the other DIY Baba channels, just please don't look at the views, because I admit they're pretty low. 44 views or yeah. So yeah, that's it. Both of the Scratch are the same. Nothing. So yeah, that's it for the episode. Video. That's it for the video today. So how do I turn this off? This video. I think just right over here. How do I get rid of this? Just damn. Hello? Can you help me? I can't get out of this. Can you? Scratch on lectures. Dude! What are you doing? Oh, so yeah. Both of you win. They are equal. It's a tie for both of them. So that's it for today. Goodbye, and please subscribe. Even though if you look over channel, they're pretty low views, but just please subscribe.